Hey, little explorers! Did you know water can do some pretty amazing things? Let's dive into some cool water facts. Water can freeze into ice. When it freezes, it actually becomes less dense than water, which is why ice cubes float in your drink. Cool, right? Water can also turn into vapor. Ever noticed how steam rises from a hot cup of tea? Or how clouds form in the sky? That's water changing form, pretty magical. And guess what? Water is always moving. It travels through the water cycle, going from rivers to clouds to rain. And then right back again. It's always on the move. So, next time you take a sip, remember how awesome and busy water is. Stay hydrated, friends. Want to learn more fun facts? Like, share, and follow our channel AnzaFacts for more amazing facts. See you next time.